and welcome to today's leaf tutorial. I'm using acrylic yarn and a 3.25mm hook. I'm starting with a slip knot and chain 5. First row, 4 single crochet. Chain 4, and a single crochet into the stitch. Next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, chain 1, turn, first stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet into this loop, chain 4, one single crochet into the loop and another one into the loop. First stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, so that this side is lining up with this side. You chain 1, you turn, and then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. Two single crochet into the loop, you chain 4, one single crochet into the loop and another one into the loop. Next stitch is a single crochet, another single crochet, and a third single crochet. Then you chain 1, you turn, and 5 single crochet. Two single crochet into this loop, chain 4, one single crochet, and another one into this loop. Four single crochet next, so that it lines up with the other side, and then you chain 1 and you turn. 5 single crochet, and another one, so 6 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the loop, and you chain 4, single crochet, and another single crochet into the loop, then 4 single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Six single crochet, two single crochet into the loop, chain 4, one single crochet, and another one into this loop, and 4 single crochet next. One more, 5 single crochet so that it lines up with the other side, chain 1, turn, 6 single crochet, plus 1, 7, 2 single crochet into the loop, now we chain 5, and 4 single crochet back to the loop, two single crochet into the loop, and 5 single crochet. And that's it. and finish is the leaf. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a like or subscribe, and I hope I see you next time on the hook. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.